Hello viewers, welcome to Hotel Century in Sirazganj. It welcomes you in Sirazganj to enjoy your holiday or meet business needs with comfort and luxury. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are 24 hours front desk, room service, free Wi-Fi, 24/7 security, air conditioning, restaurant, car parking, etc. Lobby Lounge, Executive Suite, Junior Suite Single, King Suite, Presidential Suite, Superior Double, Superior King. Hotel Century in Sirazganj, courtesied by porjotonbd.com, a website of Porjotonbd Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 01781854027, 01776467789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, videography Shathi Bonik, voice Shathi Bonik, porjotonbd.com. Thanks for watching.